Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make a bullet holes effect very easy and quick in After Effects. First of all, let's click on track camera and wait until analyzing is done. As the analyzing is done, select some points on a car. For example, I want bullet holes to be right there, so I will select some points here and then right click on them and click on create solid and camera. Now let's drag and drop bullet hole free footage. I will leave a download link of this one in the description. Once you have dropped it, enable 3D on bullet impact layer. Now let's select track solid layer and press P on your keyboard to open position. Copy that position now and paste on a bullet impact layer. We can toggle off track solid layer now and then let's check the effect. I will scale it slightly cause it's too tiny in my case, then simply position it where you want the hole to be. In case if you want more of holes, feel free to duplicate that layer and then change the timing. Simply drag it a bit forward and then make sure to reposition that duplicated one. Do the same steps until you are happy with it. Once you are happy with it, we can quickly check what we've got. Nice, but you can duplicate bullet layer as much as you will enjoy. Let's add some shakes now. I will skip shakes part because I have made too much shake tutorials. Also I have made 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake presets. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.